Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, and I do apologize for that. For those that don't know, I am a military wife and a mommy to a 1-year-old little boy. So honestly, YouTube has kind of been on the back burner. It's quite hard to keep up with YouTube and editing videos, and honestly, I don't really like editing, so that's why I've been a little bit more active on my Instagram, and I'll leave my handle down below. I do apologize because I think the last time I posted a video was December 1st, so I know it's been quite a while. So I appreciate all you guys sticking around. Anyways, I wanted to bring you guys a quick video on how to make an Easter wreath, so if you're interested, keep watching. So the supplies that you're going to need mainly come from the Dollar Tree, and honestly, I'm not quite sure what exactly I'm going to do, but I will list all the supplies down below, but I think I'm going to kind of wing it with this wreath and see how it turns out. First thing you're going to need is a 14-inch wire wreath form. These come from the Dollar Tree, only $1. Then you're going to need different colors of deco mesh. So I have pink, blue, white, and purple. I also picked up these carrots. I think I have a couple packs of these, and they're super cute. They came from the Dollar Tree. I picked up a few rolls of ribbon. These two came from the Dollar Tree, and I really love this one with the little bunny. I think it's so cute. And then I found this one at Michael's, and it has the little white white bunnies, and it's burlap. So I think that is super cute. Also picked up various different kinds of picks with little bunnies from the Dollar Tree. Not sure if I'm going to use all those. And then I also picked up some egg picks from the Dollar Tree. Then we have some of these eggs. And like I said, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use for the wreath, but whatever I decide, I will let you know. But these eggs are very popular, and they came from the Dollar Tree as well. They're little foam eggs. I got this cute little sign that says Happy Easter with the little bunny's butt sticking out. I think that's so cute, and that's from the Dollar Tree. All right, so what I think I'm going to do is just cut them in cut my deco mesh in 6-inch strips. And just do like the little bundle method. I know you guys have seen me do this, and I've gotten inspired before by This Southern Girl Can and Keeping It Simple Crafts and Country Charm by Tracy. Those are like my 3 favorite wreath people, so check their videos out, because that's where I get a lot of my inspiration, and I always like to give credit to where I get my inspiration from. So those are the 3 favorites. Just gonna cut my deco mesh. You can use one of these cutters. What are these called? Rotary cutters. I'm sorry, I'm off my game. I've been off of YouTube for a while, so I can't remember what they're called, but you can use that, or you can just use regular scissors. But yeah, I'm gonna cut my colors into those 6-inch strips, and then I'll show you what to do next. So these are the ribbon choices that I have, and like I said, these 2 came from Dollar Tree. They're super cute, and then this one came from Michael's. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm kind of winging this wreath, so I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking, because these 2 are so very similar, I might just use these 2. I do love this, so I might save it and maybe add it on after I finish the wreath. But for now, I think I'm going to stick to these 2 patterns of the wreath, or patterns of the ribbon, excuse me. I'm going to do about 10 inches for my ribbon, so I'm going to just trim this end off because it's a little frayed. And you don't have to measure this, you can totally eyeball it, but I'm just going to cut my ribbon to 10-inch pieces, and I'll do that for both. And then I'm just going to cut this little edge off too because it's a little jagged. I really like this burlap ribbon. I think it's super cute. And right now, the regular price for this is $3.99, but it's 40% off at Michael's. So you guys could totally check that out soon because it's adorable. And I'm going to actually dovetail my ends. So you're just going to fold your ribbon and then cut it at an angle. And you'll get those cute little dovetails on the ends of your ribbon. And I just like doing that. You guys totally don't have to, but I think it just adds a little extra something to your ribbon when you add it to your wreath. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to do it on this plaid ribbon as well. And the Dollar Tree actually has some really pretty choices for ribbon if you guys can get your hands on it. I know like the stuff sells out super fast, but also you could totally check out online at dollartree.com and see if they have it too up there. But I'm going to cut a few strips of ribbon, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the deco mesh and the ribbon on my wreath. Okay, so now that I've gotten some of my deco mesh cut and my ribbon cut, I think we're gonna do little bundles. So these are clusters, whatever you wanna call them, but this is what it's gonna look like. So this is just the purple one. And also, what I forgot to mention is that you're gonna wanna take some pipe cleaners and just cut them in half, but I find it easier just cutting your pipe cleaners in half and having them ready to go for your little cluster bundles. So, to make one of these, you just take your deco mesh, and I'm just doing them in different, like one set of purple, one set of white, one set of pink, one set of blue. So you're just gonna take your deco mesh and just roll it up like this, and then just pinch it in your fingers. And then I am going to do this 3 times. And just pinch them right there. So that's what it should look like. Then I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner, and you're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the middle, and then just twist a few times in the back. So that is what it's going to look like. And for this wreath, I think what I'm going to do is every 3rd bundle is going to have the ribbon. That way the ribbon's not on each bundle, and I think it looks better that way, but you guys can totally do whatever you want. So the next one I'm going to roll is the pink one, and I'm going to add the ribbon to that and show you what it looks like. And then I'll roll the blue one, and then we'll add it to the wreath so you guys can get an idea. And what's so great about when you make your wreaths is that you guys can just make them the way you want them. There's no right or wrong way in crafting, and I think that's what's awesome about crafting. It's a great outlet to relieve stress, just to do on your downtime, and you can be creative. So whatever you guys want to do, it's all up to you. Like the world's your pickle, you know what I mean? So you guys can totally craft the way you want, and this is just what I'm doing for this particular wreath. But again, I made my 3 little bundles like I did with this white one and this pink one, and I made them into a cluster. Now, for this particular bundle, I'm going to add my ribbon. So I have it pinched in the middle, and then this is the ribbon that I cut out earlier, and then I'm just going to place that on top, and then I'm also going to add the bunny ribbon too. So just place that on top, and then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, and you see I have it still pinched in the middle, and then I'm just going to wrap the pipe cleaner around this and try to get it as centered as possible, and just wrap it a couple times. And there you go. And at the end, we can fluff out all of the mesh and the ribbon, but that just gives you an idea of what that's going to look like. And I'm just going to roll up this blue one real quick, and then I'll come right back and we'll attach it to the wreath. Okay, now we are going to attach the bundles that we made. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 middle rings right here, and that's how I'm going to attach mine. So I'm just going to put it right here, and then I'm just going to flip it over so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to twist a few times in the back, and that's it. And then at the end we can tuck these in or like cut them off, but for now I'm just going to leave them like that. And then I am going to add my next bundle. I'll just do the white. And you guys can mix and match the bundles. Like if you just want a rainbow color, you could do like 1 pink, 1 white, 1 purple, whatever you guys want to do. Like it doesn't matter. But this is just what I wanted to do. So then I'm just going to do the same thing, twist it a couple times in the back, and then just push it over. And then like I said, I added ribbon onto every 3rd bundle. So this one has the ribbon, and then that's just the same concept of just adding it on and then twisting it in the back a couple times. And then we'll add the blue one. Let me know if you guys like these kind of like go with the flow type YouTube videos. I'm not doing a voiceover in this one. I'm just, you know, doing it like this. So I think this is kind of fun sometimes, just to go with the flow and see where your creative mind takes you. So if you guys enjoy this type of crafting video, let me know, and I will try my best to post YouTube videos again. But this just gives you an idea of what it's gonna look like. So I did a purple, a white, and the pink with the ribbon, and then the blue. And like I said, I'm gonna add the ribbon onto every third cluster. So I'm gonna finish up some more, and then I'll be right back to show you what it looks like, okay? So I have finished one of my sections of my wreath form. The Dollar Tree 14-inch wreath forms have 6 sections. So I finished one, and I'm gonna end up adding 10 bundles, or at least that's what I think, 10 bundles in each section. So this is what it should look like, and I know some of the pieces are frayed, so at the end I'm just going to take some scissors and trim everything up. But you're going to do 10 bundles, and every third bundle is going to have ribbon. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then we will come back and we will decorate the wreath. This is what it looks like so far. I will say one thing about this I love this ribbon, like the color and stuff, but I didn't burn the ends, which I should have, because with Dollar Tree ribbon, it is notorious for fraying, so just keep that in mind. But I mean, if you're just making this for yourself, then I don't think it's a big deal. But this Michaels ribbon, it's like perfect. It doesn't have any issues, but the Dollar Tree ribbon is fraying a little bit. But this is what it looks like so far, and you could stop here and hang this on your door fine, like just, you know, trim the little ends that are like fraying and stuff and hang it on your door. But I am going to go ahead and add a sign. So I think I'm going to put this sign on here. This is from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to take off the ends right here. I don't think I want this part on here. I just want the truck, and it's super cute. So I think I'm just going to stick it here. Oh, let me move this out of the way. All right. It looks like, I don't know if I should cut this or if I can pull it through. Oh yeah, you can just pull it through. That's kind of cool. Let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of chatty crafties. I think I asked that earlier, but you know, I'm just keeping it real. Like, we're just chatting away and we're going with the flow as we do this. Do you guys have any plans for spring break? Are you doing anything exciting for Easter? Comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys have been up to. So yeah, let's get all this out of here. I guess we'll just trim this part. So that's what it looks like. I need to plug in my hot glue gun, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that we have taken the bottom piece off of the sign and the string, we are going to glue on some pipe cleaners onto the back of the sign. So I just glob on some glue, and you want to put a lot on here and just let that set. Alright, so while that sets up and dries, I wanted to let you guys know how much deco mesh I used. So this is what's left over. I ended up using 2 rolls of each color. Well, I guess I would say 1.5 rolls. You know, with these Dollar Tree deco mesh, the rollage varies, I guess, per color or whatever, because sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less, regardless of what the packaging says. But anyways, I would go ahead and buy 2 of each color, but this is my leftovers. And then for the ribbon, I used 2 rolls of ribbon. This is what's left over on my Dollar Tree ribbon, and I think I have a little bit more left on this other spool, maybe about 6 inches left on the other one too. And then I have a little bit more of the Hobby Lobby ribbon left over. So I would say go ahead and buy 2 rolls of each ribbon as well. Okay, so the back of the sign is all dry now. I let the hot glue sit on there for a while so it'd be nice and secure. And again, I'm going to apologize for the lighting. I had to take another break, and now it is nighttime, so I apologize for that. But we're almost done, so I don't think it's too bad. But we're going to go ahead and add the sign on. So you're just going to feed the pipe cleaners through wherever you see fit. And I'm just going to kind of center the sign. Usually sometimes I'll put my signs here on the side, but I think I want it like right in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and just feed the pipe cleaners through to get to the other side. So you're just going to pull tightly on the back, and let me do it on this side as well. So now I'm just going to twist them in the back just like I have the rest of the pipe cleaners. And the sign should not go anywhere. This should keep it nice and secure on there. You just twist a few times. There we go. One thing you'll see is a little holes popping through, but we can cover that up with like a bow. And what I'm going to do down here is just kind of tuck the wheels behind some of the ribbon so that ribbon can cover the holes on the bottom. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the cute little Happy Easter sign on there. I think that is adorable. So I kept going back and forth about what I wanted to add onto the wreath, and I'm thinking I'm just going to stick with these eggs. I have a few of these packs of eggs, and I'm just going to add them throughout the wreath. I was going to put the carrots, but I don't know. I'm thinking I'm going to go more with the eggs and maybe save the rest of this stuff for something else. But I'm going to go ahead and glue on a few of these. And like I said, these are little like foam eggs. They're super cute. And I'm just going to place them throughout the wreath. So you're just going to dollop some hot glue on the back of them. And I think I'm going to place the first one right here. And just hold your finger down a little bit. And they're like plasticky foam, if that makes sense. So just be careful when you're hot gluing so you don't burn your fingers. But I'm going to go ahead and place a few on here, and I'll be right back. So here is the finished product. The wreath is all nice and complete, and I really love how this turned out. I decided only to stick with these Dollar Tree foamy plastic eggs, and I used 3 packs of those. I didn't add any other of the floral picks or the carrots or anything like that because I already feel like this wreath has a lot going on. So I thought just the eggs would just tie in really well with these eggs, and I thought that was perfect. And this is what it turned out like, and I really love it. I'm going to put it on my front door and show you guys in natural light outside what it would look like on your front door. Here is what the wreath looks like on my front door, and I really love how this turned out. I think it is so pretty, and I'm enjoying all these bright pastel colors for spring and Easter. I just think it's so cute. I really had a lot of fun making this wreath, and I really enjoyed this kind of like chatty, crafty type video. So if you did enjoy this, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. It really helps out my channel. I enjoy making crafts, and I've been really into doing these wreaths, and I've actually been into doing my Cricut crafts too. You'll see those on my Instagram. So if that's something you guys want to see on my YouTube channel is some Cricut videos, let me know too. Anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for commenting and supporting my videos. I will see you guys in the future. Bye!